The sporty Audi S3 is getting even sportier for 2024 with a host of dynamic upgrades. Audi has turned up the wick on its high-performance compact, giving it more power, sharper handling, and an even more aggressive look. Let's start with what's under the hood. The turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine now pumps out 333 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, increases of 23 horsepower and 20 pound-feet over the outgoing model. That extra muscle helps propel the S3 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission has been recalibrated for quicker shifts and more responsive behavior. But the biggest upgrade is the addition of Audi's torque vectoring rear differential. Borrowed from the RS3, this clever tech can shuttle power between the rear wheels to maximize traction and agility. Combined with a new dynamic plus drive mode that biases power rearward for a lively rear drive feel, the 2024 S3 promises to be a real corner carver. Aiding handling are stiffer suspension components, more negative camber for increased grip, and a retuned progressive steering rack. New 19-inch performance tire options should provide plenty of stick, while larger front brake rotors help haul the S3 down from speed with more authority. Visually, the compact gets an angrier new look with a wider, flatter hexagonal grille, vertical air intakes, and an aggressive front splitter. Out back, the quad exhaust pipes, rear diffuser, and side reflectors mirror the look of Audi's RS models. The interior gets some sporty revisions as well, including a cool laser-cut fabric door trim. Perhaps the S3's most interesting new feature is the ability to select different LED daytime running light signatures through the MMI infotainment system. Owners can pick from up to 4 different lighting graphics to personalize the look. Pricing for the 2024 Audi S3 starts at $55,600 for the sedan and will be a bit less for the Sportback hatch. That's a big jump over the current $45,900 base price, though much of that premium can likely be attributed to the newly standard content, like the virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster, wireless phone charger, and other tech. With the Mercedes-AMG CLA 35 departing and no new Volkswagen Golf R on the horizon, the updated Audi S3 will carve out a niche for itself as one of the hottest affordable performance compacts on the market. We can't wait to sample the sharper driving dynamics when it arrives in the second quarter.